Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today we're learning how to say, what is this? And how much does it cost? Are you ready, kids? To ask what is this in isiXhosa, we say yintoni le. And to ask how much does it cost, we say malini. Now let's see how Abuti uses these phrases.
Molo yintoni le. Malini.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. When we say yintoni le, the yintoni means it is what? The le means this. It is what this. And when we say malini, the in this context means it is. Malini in this context means how much. It is how much.
Molo yintoni le. Malini. Molo yintoni le. Malini. Molo yintoni le. Malini.
And now you know how to say what is this and how much does it cost in isiXhosa. Goodbye, Abuti.
Nisale kakuhle.